Welcome back to 3-Minute Hikes. Today we'll be visiting Rattlesnake Ledge in the Cascade Mountains. It's a short hike to Rattlesnake Ledge, which is near North Bend, Washington, and just minutes from I-90. Only 2 miles of well-maintained trails stand between you and the ledge, which tops out at 2,078 feet. Our hike begins at Rattlesnake Lake. That's our destination up there. The grade is gentle as we climb 1,160 feet. From the first ledge, we can see Mount Si and I-90, among other landmarks. We tried to spot our car in the parking lot below. Plenty of photo ops await those who don't mind a little vertigo. Most hikers stop at the first ledge, but 2 more are just a few minutes away. We hit snow on our way to the third ledge. From the second ledge, we could see the first ledge. Now we're looking down at both the first and the second. That's all for now. See you next time.